To transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Revolut, you need to follow a series of steps. First, open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the USDT section. Click on Send and enter the recipient address, which in this case will be the address of the exchange or platform you will use to convert USDT to fiat currency that can be transferred to Revolut. You will need to use a cryptocurrency exchange that supports USDT and has a fiat currency withdrawal option to a bank account or a service like Revolut. Some popular options include Binance, Kraken, or Coinbase. Create an account on the chosen exchange if you do not already have one, and go through the verification process, which may take some time. Once your account is verified, go to the deposit section of the exchange and select USDT. You will be given a unique USDT deposit address. Copy this address and go back to your Trust Wallet app. Paste the address into the recipient field and enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Confirm the transaction and wait for the USDT to be deposited into your exchange account. After the USDT is deposited, go to the trading section of the exchange and exchange your USDT for a fiat currency that can be withdrawn to Revolut, such as the US dollar or euro. Once the exchange is complete, navigate to the withdrawal section and select the fiat currency you just exchanged your USDT for. Enter your Revolut account details, including the account number and routing number, and confirm the withdrawal. Please note that you may need to add your Revolut account as a payment method on the exchange and verify it before you can withdraw funds. This process may take a few days, so be patient. Additionally, be aware of the fees associated with transferring USDT and exchanging it for fiat currency, as well as any withdrawal fees charged by the exchange or Revolut. It is also important to ensure that your Revolut account is set up to receive the fiat currency you are withdrawing, and that you have enough space in your account to receive the funds. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Revolut. But always make sure to double-check the addresses and account details to avoid any errors.